Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually cancel an order on Uber Eats. So make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to cancel an order on the Uber Eats app, all you have to do is simply launch the Uber Eats application first, sign into your account, and then you want to go to the orders tab, which is the bottom right of the screen. Once you come to the order tabs, on the next page, you will see this type of interface as well as a list of all of the upcoming orders that you have. If it has not yet been delivered to you, you can actually still cancel the order. If the food is already been prepared, it is difficult and you might need to actually pay a certain amount of fee. But if the food has not been prepared, then it will not charge you for anything, of course. So all you have to do is just select the option cancel order over here. Once you tap on the cancel order, on the next page you will find this option called cancel order, and here you can see charges to canceling it. Now if you are happy with the payments, then you can just cancel it. If you want to, always you can just get the food delivered to your doorstep. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.